Hello everyone, Clara here. Today we will tell the things about laser source repair. It's not guidance to show you how to repair lasers, but you could get some small tips here. If you are the first time meeting my channel, please don't forget to subscribe me and give me your like. Thank you. Last week, I received a laser from a Brazil customer. It's a 2000 watt. He said the laser is burnt and totally died. Today, we're going to make a simple check. First, we check the window lens. No spot is found, and there are no obvious burning inside laser. When we connect to monitor, it shows the machine has passed warranty. The total emission time of the laser is not long, only 2 months. After we power on the laser, no alarms are generated, so we try to get laser emission. First 50%, 70%, and then 100%. Still no alarms are generated. It seems like there's no problems to the laser. Therefore, our preliminary judgment is that the laser is good. Here, I would like to share several small tips on laser source. First, if your laser is in warranty, don't do repair by yourself. Please ask your supplier to help you, because some suppliers will refuse to offer service if they found their lasers being checked by the third party. Second, please do not jump to conclusions without professional engineer's confirmation. It will lead to unnecessary expenses, like the freight. Third, it's better to store a backup laser for emergency replacement, because once the laser is damaged, it will take days or even months to repair it. The backup laser could be second-hand, the same power. Fourth, routine maintenance is very important. For example, if you find that the perforation was not successful, you should stop and check the lenses immediately. That's all our today. Thank you. Please leave comments below to let us know your thoughts. If you still have time, click in the following link to view our store and see what we could offer you. See you next Sunday. Bye.